Okay, so here with Dave, Dave Yack. Tell us a bit about yourself.
Hi Mark, how you doing? I'm David Yack. I'm based out of Colorado Springs, Colorado. I'm a CRM MVP and a Microsoft Regional Director. Focus a lot on CRM and the other emerging Microsoft products.
Excellent. Tell us a bit about the business you work for.
We're a consulting firm, so like I kind of mentioned, we focus on emerging products, helping partners and customers get up to speed on Microsoft's latest products and some of the things that are coming out into the market.
Okay, so I understand you've written a few books. Can you tell us a bit about those?
Yeah, we've been involved with the Field Guide for CRM as well as several other .NET ones. We're currently working on a quick start book with several other MVPs. We also do training on Pluralsight, so pluralsight.com.
Fantastic.
We've got a series on CRM training courses, especially for somebody just getting into CRM or somebody looking to ramp up with some of the newer topics.
Excellent. So I hear that you have a lot to do with the Enterprise Academy. Can you tell us about what the Enterprise Academy is all about?
Sure. Enterprise Academy is really a program Microsoft has that helps developers that are looking to kind of go from the basics. They've done the 100, 200 level. They're looking for the 300, 400 level content for doing different types of developing and extending CRM, learning some of the new features of CRM 2013. And they've been doing them worldwide. Several people have been doing training that in different locations around the world.
Okay. So I see your last name's Yack. Are you by any chance related to the famous Juliet?
Absolutely.
How?
What, you don't know, Mark? Julie's my wife.
Julie's your wife. Wow. So that's where you learn everything from, type thing.
Absolutely. Yeah. Don't we all?
Yeah. Isn't that true? So tell us.
You're trying to get me into trouble here, Mark?
Would I do that? Or should I say, did someone put me up to it?
Was there $20 slipped to you if you asked that question, Mark?
He's on to you, Julie. So, Convergence.
Convergence.
Tell us about it. What do you think?
This is my first day here. I actually am only here for one day. I came for a couple of sessions as well as, just to catch up with various people from MVPs to Microsoft folks to customers.
Excellent. And what do you feel? Good event?
It's always an interesting event. For me, it's a very customer focused, so things are a little higher level than some of the deeper dive conferences, but there's good content, and it's good to catch up with everybody.
Cool.
For me, it's about the networking.
Great. So in closing, anything you'd like to add?
No, just if you have time to visit Pluralsight and also crm.davidyack.com.
Thank you. Cheers.